Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice cordless stick vac. I've done several of these. This one here has got a 45,000 PA, extremely strong suction, and I'm loving a lot about this vacuum, and I wanted to kind of burn through some of that with you. This actually got 15 in 1, so this has actually got a lot of versatility with this. Loving the fact that it's fairly lightweight. You can actually vacuum with it completely down, so if you're going underneath a bed, whatever the case is with that, or getting underneath anything like this here, it can easily get underneath there because it can lay completely down, which is absolutely incredible, and it can actually lock up and stand upright. A lot of them can't do that, so that's actually really a nice feature. It also has the availability that it's going to work for any size person because it is completely extendable. So it is a huge plus to be able to extend that out or shrink that up. If you're a shorter person, you can easily shrink that down and still use it. It also works great for storage. So this again has a huge suction. I'm going to vacuum just a little bit before I show you some of these features here and show you. We got rotating brush head on the main part, gives you battery life up here, sucks things into here. If you're wanting to adjust the power, so if you push this button on top, it's got 3 different levels. There's a medium level and a high level, and boy, on that high level, I mean, it really goes through there. It's moving the carpet. It's sucking all kinds of stuff up. I know my carpet's probably pretty gross. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off, and actually look at what it got in there. It already got a bunch of junk and picked up a rubber band and a bunch of stuff in there. That is incredible. So obviously, it's doing a lot better than my other vacuum. And if you're going to empty it out, it's one touch, which is great. That's fantastic. So loving that, loving a lot of other features too, and I want to kind of go over a couple of those real quick. One, this actually has detachable batteries, which means you can pull it off, recharge it, and use the other battery because they provide you with 2 batteries. They provide you with a lot of things, which is absolutely incredible as well. They've got that going for them, which is great. You got an extra filter, an extra back filter on here because it's got a dual filtration system on there. They provide you with spares of that. You have the mounting bracket, which I also like because the charging cable locks into the bottom. So that way, if you mount this on the wall, you can actually take this, hang it, and it will charge while it is hanging. Some of them don't do that. That's a great feature to have. That's definitely something I'm going to be doing. You get all these other wonderful attachments that you can attach on using the stick, or you can attach it directly on here. So if you're cleaning off sofas, getting pet hair, things like that. Rotating brush head, vacuuming stuff up with that. It's really great. And then turn that off. I want to show you a couple other of my favorites here. This one does come with this here, which is a little filter here, which is great for your dryer vents. So you actually can get this hooked on there, and this can clean out dryer vents, which is great. You've got an extendable hose that retracts back, which is fantastic. You've got this expandable piece here with the brush, great for getting inside cars, detailed crevices and areas. All of this, incredible design. Everything is built very well, very lightweight, very ergonomic handle on this, and this would work well in anyone's home.